So we have a little job to do, so in order to finish our website. So we have the footer. So you see we have an ID and the name of the ID, it's footer. So we're going to design this paragraph and p hashtag, and then we're going to type footer. So what we're going to do, we're going to give a margin. So the margin of the footer must be 0. So we're not going to give margin. The padding also. So the padding from the right, so we're going to give a padding from the right around 10 pixels. And then, so we are going to give a line height. So the line height must be, so 30 pixels. So 30 pixels, it's enough. So the text line, so we're going to put to the right, so it's better. So we put text line to the right. So the footer, we're going to put it on the right of our page. And let's change the color of the footer. So the color of the footer we will change to 8A0. So let's check and make a refresh. So you see now the footer has been changed and it's in the left of our website. So design, so I have put my name. So we're going to change the text. So we can change the text. I will write so design and the copyrights. So this is how it works. So we're going to type like copyrights. We're going to refresh it and you see copyright 2016. So this is it looks better. So now we are at the end and we have finished our website. So in order you can change this list, you can put about, contact, so you can put whatever you want. You can put even use. So we will change the name. So once we refresh, you see we have about page. So you can create links and then you can redirect people to your contact or to your contents, whatever you post. So you see now we are going to remove this style. So in order, so we can just put it in a separately folder or in a separately place. So it's not good to leave it here. So we are going to design it better. So in order to do that, we're going to create a new tab. So then we will paste our CSS style in here. So and then we are going to give a name like style.css. So the CSS, it means cascade style. So then you see the color of our style has changed. So now we have nothing in here. So once we refresh, example, if we refresh our page, you see everything's get back to the skeleton. So now we need to find the link in order to link the CSS with HTML code. So you can just write link CSS HTML. So then we have a link tag. So we are going to copy this link tag and we are going to paste it in our website. So you see we're going to paste it just under the title, so we can put it above the title. So just it is better to be in the head. So we have to change the name and now you see everything works fine. So the name was style.css. So thanks for watching and it was a pleasure to create this website for you.